Hi, Mary Jadwisiak here, and I am making this video for you here today in my dining room to show you just how easy it is to contact your legislature. All you have to do is just follow a few links and click on a few buttons, and you'll be able to express your opinion. Now, what I've done is I've done some things ahead of time to make it easy for us. But let's start at the very beginning by talking about why do you think it's important to contact your legislator? Because it's good for you, right? When we find our voice and when we express ourselves, we feel better. So that we're not a victim. We're not going to sit around and say, hey, how could you do that to me? We're going to take action. And taking action feels great. So what I'm going to do is show you how to take action in a very simple way. Now, I'm going to do this by sharing my screen with you. So you're going to see my screen, and it's going to be awesome. And we're going to be able to go through this together. Okay, so here we go. Now you can see what I see. You've got my screen here in front of you, and look at there's 3 of me. Oh my goodness. Well, I think that's plenty enough. Let's get started here sharing. So what I want to do is I've done some work before you already, but let's start at the beginning, right? How to find my state senator. I did a quick Google search. How to find my Washington state senator, and what came up was this very first link is called District Finder. Okay, District Finder. So there it is. When this comes up, there it is. You've got your how to find your district where you live. Now there's a couple options here. You can type in your street, city, zip code, and then click Find Your District, and it'll tell you that. Or you can just go and type in, click on where you live. Let's say that you live in Kennewick. So we're clicking on Kennewick, and we can see that your district legislators, you've got 3 Republican legislators, Senator Walsh, Representative Jenkins, Representative Rude. Now, why is it important to know what party they're in? Because we can say the same thing to different people in different ways to help them hear it. So we know that our Republican colleagues like big government, and they're fiscally conservative. So we may be able to approach the issue from that perspective. We know that our Democratic friends and colleagues are concerned more, well, I want to say more or less, but they like to talk about how this bill is going to affect people, how this bill is going to affect individuals, particularly around protecting people, especially vulnerable and disenfranchised people, so we can talk to them from that perspective. It's not that either one is better than the other. We all have our opinions, but we want to be able to talk to people in a way that they can hear us. So it's in our best interest to know what party they're in so that we can talk to them from that regard. So let's say I'm in District 18. And so, oh, that's the wrong one, District 18, not 17. Oh, let's close out 17, and District 18. And you can see that District 18, my people are Senator Ann Rivers, Representative Brandon Vick, and Representative Larry Hoff. So that's good to know for me, so that if I have an opinion about a specific issue, I can contact them directly. And there's another way I can contact them directly as well. Is if I want to talk about a specific bill, I can go over here to Bill Information and click on that. I can put in the bill number. The bill that we're going to use as an example today is one that's pretty passionate to my heart, and that's Bill 5720. And so I'm opposed to Bill 5720.